Hey. Hand launching to the north. Huh? Maybe not. Oh. Go ahead. Hand launching. You betcha. All right, she's flying again. All right. Another successful repair. Yep. Prop adapter came out last night. Set screw discovered busted, crack in half almost. Fortunately, I had a brand new one, prop adapter and set screw, and everything is history. Yes, sir. Look at that.
I wondered how you were taking all those videos. Now I see.
You betcha.
I like that.
This is my little secret. Look at that. Into the breeze. Carefree. Woo! All right, power up. Climb, climb. She's flying with the stubby 2200 milliamp hour 3-cell. And so she is slightly tail heavy, but nothing that you can't control. There it is. Holding a little down trim, a smidget, that's it. So she's not terribly tail heavy. Gee, look at this guy. All right, that's good. I know that she flies again, and that's great. Landing from the lake. Turn her around. Going around. There you go. Caught her. Clear.